Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the new 2020 13.3 inch MacBook Air. Alright, so this MacBook Air comes in the new rose gold color. It's a 13.3 inch Retina display. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. So first things first, you pull this tab right here. And just rip the plastic away. I mean, that's what I love about Apple, the way their packaging is. So simple, easy to open. All right, there we go, right here. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. I'll see what comes with it too. Let's put that to the side. And there it is. I mean, I'm really impressed by Apple's packaging. Never fails to disappoint me. It's their new rose gold color. Let's put this to the side for now. All right, so let's see what it comes with. All right, your user guide. For Apple stickers, this one comes in rose gold. Let's see what else. All right, and that's it. All right, you got your USB Type-C adapter. Both sides are USB Type-C. And you have your wall adapter right here. Alright, and that's it for what comes with it. Let's get to the laptop. Let's go ahead and take the wrapping off. Well, right when you hold it, you can tell it's great quality. It's made out of 100% recycled aluminum. Alright, as we look at to the side right here, see two USB Type-C ports. And on the other side is a headphone jack. Really simple. Alright, we open that up. First thing you notice here is the backlit keyboard. Right when you open it up, the laptop comes on. And you notice that there are two speakers right here on the sides. And a big mouse pad. This mouse pad also uses Force Touch. Alright, so I'm gonna go through a quick rundown of the specs here of this MacBook. This 13-inch MacBook Air has a 13.3 inch Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. The pixels on it are 2560 by 1600 pixels. Comes with a 1.1 gigahertz dual-core Intel Core i3, 8 gigabytes of RAM. It also includes 256 gigabytes of memory. It also includes Intel Iris Plus graphics, 2 Thunderbolt USB-C type ports. Up here in this corner, it also includes Touch ID for security, better security. Includes Wi-Fi 5 and also Bluetooth 5.0, FaceTime HD camera. So this MacBook Air comes at 2.8 pounds, extremely light, very durable. What's new about this is the Retina display they have on there with the True Tone, and also a bigger trackpad here. This trackpad also uses Force Touch, so depending on the amount of pressure you put on the mouse pad, there are different functions you could do. Of course, comes with the newest software on here. All you have to do is just install them if your laptop doesn't come pre-installed with it. Also, I can't forget about these two speakers here. They went ahead and tuned them to give them 2% more, 2 times more bass and 25% louder. So in case you have to listen to your music, podcasts, you're watching a movie on here, coupled with this amazing screen, you'll have a great entertainment system right here. All right, guys, so that's it for the new unboxing for 2020 13-inch MacBook Air. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead, leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.